Oh, look at here. What a great day for a ride. I'm with Birds Motovlogs on his, oh, sounding good R6. Took me a while to get going. We're starting out here in Litchfield, Kentucky, and if you guys can't see that in front of me, that is freaking awesome. It's a car pushing a bike. So essentially it's a trike. But the engine's, it's like the whole front end of a Taurus, which is pretty daggone cool. But yeah, I just met this new up-and-coming wannabe motovlogger here, Birds Motovlogs here in Kentucky, and I thought it would be cool to do a little meetup and hang out for a day on a beautiful day. Whew, a little warm. I'm not complaining though. And can you believe it? We're being led by a buggy. This is pretty cool. It's a mixed group, and you know what? You gotta love it. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Ooh, hello, young lady. And Birds he's younger than I expected. Of course, I'm probably older than what he expected. But you know what? You know it. You know, youth is in the heart. That's right. Well, it's in your heart and your head. You're only as young as you want to be. So I'm gonna shut this thing off, and I'm gonna enjoy this ride. Oh my God. Holy cow. You okay, man? Man, all I saw was a car going end over end. Oh, wow. Is the car off? I seen that wiper going. I think that's from the airbag and everything. You got a phone? Somebody we can call? Oh, you were in the air, man. You were in the air. So yeah, I guess we just left the scene of an accident. Coming up behind old Bird there. Youngster on his all six. Look at him go. Coming up on the cruiser. Other than that, it's been a pretty enjoyable ride because there's a lot, I don't know if you guys can see this. A lot of this countryside I have not seen around Kentucky. So this is really cool. So I'm getting like a mini tour. Right now, I think we're heading up to the Rough River Dam area. And so far, the scenery has just been amazing. Aside from, of course, the car flipping over and the dude being kind of hurt. And well, we didn't leave until at least the paramedics arrived. Make sure dude stayed okay. So, yeah, so far so good for us. Not the poor bastard in the cage. Okay, looks like we're coming up on Rough River Dam. And this area is absolutely gorgeous. I'll have to come up here sometime and just take a video of it. So we come up over top here. It's called the, this is called the Twin Lakes region, I believe. Where, you know, of course there's a lake on one side, the dam and all that stuff on the other. And they're now hiring housekeepers and servers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a shot of this. Here we are up on the dam. I'll be damned. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys can see the American flag waving off in the distance. I mean, how pretty is this? This whole freaking area. It is, we're on a... Beautiful two-lane. I just had to buzz him. I had to buzz him. He's coming. There you go. Gotta have a little bit of fun. Behind old boy on that cruiser, I believe that's, is this a Suzuki or a Honda? I'm not sure. I think he was a good fella too. And all the beautiful bikes are out today. What's up, brothers? I don't think I've collected enough bugs. Oh, and I stand corrected. That is a Suzuki in front of us. There they go. Nice group of fellas. There goes Bird. Oh, you couldn't ask for a better day. Gotta get out and do this more often, even though I'm in trouble when I get home. Later.